This is how to use this innovative soap cutter. It's very easy to use. You just remove your soap from the mold, put it on the tray. The tray has this sliding thing that will make moving it easy. See, and just push the tray. That is a wooden tray though. You just push and your soap is cut. It's very easy to use. You don't need to exert so much energy. There is already something like a slide, a motor. Look at it, that black thing. So it just help pushing the soap easy. So you don't need to use so much strength to push the soap before it goes. So you take it back again. It's on the tray. The tray is the one that is moving. So you take it back and you push. Look at my soap is cutting. Here is it. And that where the thread is, or the cutter, the line that cuts it, is adjustable. You can adjust and use it to cut any size you want to cut. That's why I say it's innovative. Okay, I'm still cutting my soap. Would you even believe that this soap I'm cutting is even a rebadge soap? Look at how beautiful it is. Here we have our soap in bars. So we'll now go ahead and cut them. Okay, I'm still reducing the size. I want them to come in smaller sizes. So what you do is just to measure the size you want and adjust it to meet that size. Still cutting my soap in straight bars. The first sizes I cut were bigger. I want smaller sizes, so I'm still dividing the soaps into two, the long bars into two. Okay, now start cutting them into bars. You see what I'm talking about here now, that I can cut whatever size I want. The wood at the end there is what you can use to adjust it and cut any size you want to cut. Look at, I have cut a smaller size. You see, I've adjusted the wood and I was able to cut a smaller size. I've cut a smaller size. You see, so you can adjust that wood by the end there. This wood at the end, you can cut. See, I'm cutting a bigger size now. Do you see? These ones are bigger, so you can actually adjust that wood and cut any size of soap you want to cut. So with this one cutter, you can cut any size of. Look at what these ones are bigger. These sizes are bigger. You see, I've been able to cut 3 different sizes. See? You see, we have actually cut 3 different sizes with this mold. We're able to cut a bigger size, a medium size, and then a small size. So you can cut any size you want with this mold. It also comes with a stand and 2 molds. I cut it here without a stand. I used a table. Some persons might say they don't want the stand, they have table. So if you want the stand, you can buy with the stand. And if you don't want it with the stand, you buy it without the stand, the price will be reduced. And if you want it with the mold, it comes with 2 molds. You can also decide that you want only 1 mold. So it's up to you. We have given you different options that will make getting your own commercial standard soap cutter easier. So if you know you want to get one for yourself, just send a WhatsApp message now to the number above, which is 23480290466. I will deliver to you anywhere. Thank you. You can see the full picture here with the stand. It's beautiful. This is how it comes if you want it with the stand. You see it's adjustable. You can adjust it with that stick. You can adjust and cut any size you want to cut with that stick there. So you just lose it and adjust to the size you want and you cut. It also has a groove maker. So with this you can put design on your soap. So give us a call today and we'll deliver to you anywhere you are. Just send a WhatsApp message to 2348029046605. Thank you.